Hello, welcome to Tiana Solutions case study presentation. This video's content, focusing on the problem, solution, tools, and impacted modules, along with an introduction to the speaker and the company, as requested. Problem: a client needed to create VLXO reports based on their Acumatica financial reports, specifically the profit and loss, P&L, and balance sheet. The crucial requirement was that these VLXO reports had to exactly match the corresponding financial statements in Acumatica. This indicates a need to extend Acumatica's reporting capabilities by using VLXO in Excel to replicate the financial data. Solution: the solution involves connecting VLXO Excel with Acumatica to extract and present financial data. The process consists of two key steps. Installing the VLXO add-in. The first step is to install the VLXO add-in for Excel, which can be downloaded from the VLXO website. Connecting VLXO to Acumatica. Once the add-in is installed, the next step is to establish a connection between VLXO and Acumatica. This is done using the VLXO Connection Manager, which requires the Acumatica URL, tenant name, username, and password. Once these details are entered and the Connect button is clicked, Acumatica and VLXO are linked. This link allows the user to create formulas and build reports that pull data directly from Acumatica. Tools used: VLXO. This is an Excel add-in used to connect to Acumatica and extract data for reporting. Microsoft Excel, the software where the VLXO add-in is installed and where financial reports are created. Acumatica Cloud ERP, the source system holding the financial data to be extracted and presented in VLXO. Modules impacted: financials, the core module that is directly impacted as it is related to pulling the financial reports such as the P&L and the balance sheet. Reporting, the solution focuses on extending the Acumatica reporting capabilities using VLXO. Example: imagine a user needs to analyze the P&L statement from Acumatica. Without VLXO, they might have to export data from Acumatica and then manipulate it in Excel. With VLXO connected to Acumatica, they can directly pull the data into Excel and design reports that match the P&L format of the system. This allows for more dynamic and up-to-date reporting within Excel as the data is pulled directly from Acumatica. The connection will also allow formulas in Excel to pull financial data from Acumatica, for example the balance sheet, which may be used for financial analysis within Excel. Introduction of the speaker and the company. The presenter, Aishwarya, is a functional consultant at Tiana Solutions. She has over 10 years of experience in the ERP space. Aishwarya has worked on over 45 reports, 25 generic inquiries, 25 business events, and has worked on the distribution, finance, banking, and project accounting modules across all Acumatica editions. Tiana Solutions is described as the largest services partner with Acumatica Cloud ERP. They assist Acumatica partners and customers in implementing, customizing, and supporting Acumatica Cloud ERP. Tiana Solutions provides services such as speeding up and optimizing processes, quick resolutions of support cases, and supporting on-site consultants. They can be contacted at 6,789,102,774 to book an appointment for consultation on how Tiana can assist in business.